Simplify 9 to the power n minus 4 to the power n over 3 to the power n plus 2 to the power of n. So writing down the expression, now 9 is 3 squared, so that sort of will relate to that one there. So write down 3 squared, and then 4 is 2 squared, so we'll write 4 as 2 squared, so we've got minus 2 squared to the power of n over the same denominator, 3 to the n plus 2 to the n. Now, there's a rule of indices. It says that a to the m to the n is the same as a to the m times n. So, writing that out, we're going to have 3 to the 2n minus 2 to the 2n divided by 3 to the n plus 2 to the n. Now, so if we swap these two over and sort of do this thing in reverse, we can now write 3 to the 2n, and applying this in reverse, we can now write that as 3 to the n to the power of 2. So basically we just swap these over. 2 times n is the same as n times 2. Minus 2 to the n to the power of 2 over 3 to the n plus 2 to the n. Now we might recognise this as a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared, which we know is a plus b times a minus b. Now it's really worth your while learning this expression and trying to recognize it. So now applying this to this bit, that will now become 3 to the n plus 2 to the n times 3 to the n minus 2 to the n. So a is 3 to the n and b is 2 to the n. That's still over 3 to the n plus 2 to the n. Now we notice we have the same thing here as the same thing here. So we should cancel out, and we're just left with 3 to the n minus 2 to the n, and that is as far as we can simplify it. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify using rules of indices and the idea of the difference of two squares. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.